Okay, here is another train. Let's get far enough in the track. Oh, here we go. What's up? Stop. WTF?
Why did it stop?
Act normal.
Yeah, just act normal. Everybody act normal.
Act normal. Act normal, nobody knows. Let's just videotape the train while it's not moving. Oh, it's at the station. That was stupid. Ah, it's at the station. Ooh, science session. Come on, you stupid train, hurry up. I'm getting bored here. There it is. This train should hurry up, or else I'm gonna go crazy.
I know. Let's start pushing.
Okay.
I'm kidding.
No.
Yeah, I'm walking away from it.
No, we didn't do anything.
Ooh.
Oh, baggage.
What? I found the big balls of doom.
Big balls of doom? Where? Oh, yeah, the big balls of doom. Har har. Who cares? Who cares? I think the train's running. No, never mind. Yeah, I'll videotape once. Well, wait. I'll videotape once the train starts.